Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your TCL Smart TV to Wi-Fi. First, power on your television and grab your remote. Press the home button to access the main menu. From there, use the navigation buttons to scroll down and select the settings option. This is the initial step to ensure your TV can access all its smart features and streaming content. Once in the settings menu, you will need to find the network section. This might be labeled Network and Internet or simply Network, depending on your TV model. Select this option, then choose to set up a wireless connection. Your TCL TV will then begin scanning for all available Wi-Fi networks in your vicinity, which usually takes only a few moments to complete. After the scan is complete, a list of available networks will appear. Locate and select your home Wi-Fi network from this list. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the on-screen keyboard to type it in carefully. It is crucial to double-check your password for accuracy to avoid connection issues, as even one incorrect character can prevent access. Once you have entered your password, your TCL TV will attempt to establish a connection with your Wi-Fi network. A confirmation message will display on your screen, indicating a successful connection. If you encounter any issues, such as a failed connection, try re-entering your password or restarting your Wi-Fi router. This often resolves common connectivity problems, getting you online quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.